Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to introduce handy vacuum cleaner from the old model to the latest one. First, this is 10.8 volt stick type battery, the model CL100D. And this one, the pink color, the model CL104. We have the model here. You cannot see clear. Have two color. Okay. And this one, a 12 volt. The model CL108FD. This model have light here. Just have 3 speed. And this is 18 volt. The model DCL280F. 18 volt. Have 2. And one more. The model CL182F. 18 volt, but it different power. And this model CL107FD. And this is DCL180. For me, I like 18 volt handy vacuum cleaner. The model DCL280 is powerful, but it's a little bit heavy. For lady, I think suitable with 12 volt or 10.8 volt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.